You can already tell by the title of this video, or maybe not, I don't know what I put. But we have a very, 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 very exciting plant unboxing today. I, like most people, have been stalking this plant. Hey Millie. Millie wants to be a part of the unboxing. And I stalked it on eBay from a seller that has sold multiples of the plants. And they actually have multiples for sale. And I like had to set an alarm and like double check eBay and like all that jazz because I wanted this plant. So I will list the eBay seller in the description because, like I said, they had multiples. But let's see. Okay, they've got some newspaper in here. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you very much. Here we go. They included a note. Let's see. Also, sorry I can't find my box cutter, so I got to use these scissors. Oh, they included a tag. That was very nice. As if I would forget what this was. Oh, okay. Oh, it's some care. Light, water, supporting the plant, pruning, fertilizing, growing indoors, soil. Okay. Well, that's very helpful. That was very nice of them. Thank you. So yeah, so far I feel really great about the buyer. Now it is a baby plant. I recently watched a video from Kaylee Ellen, and she was talking about the different types of variegated monsteras and why you see what you see for sale. And this, she did mention, is often seen in its juvenile form because it's grown from seeds, basically. So it is a small plant. It's wrapped in some paper and then also taped to the paper. And the leaves look pretty good, and it does appear to be the plant in the listing because, like I said, they had multiples for sale at the same time of the same type of plant. But this one had 4 leaves where the others had 3, and you know I remembered that because I was like, girl, I need all 4 of my leaves in case anything happens. But let's see. Oh, and it is a Monstera Thai Constellation. Yes, it is. Okay. It's like the Mercedes of plants. So like most coveted plant there ever was, right now at least. And yeah, this basically looks like what it looked like in the photo. I'm so excited. It looks so good. The roots look amazing. Just how it was in the photo. I'm very impressed with this seller. They said it was in stagnant moss, which it is. I'm going to go ahead and plant it in soil, but let me give you a close-up of the roots and the leaves. So here is a close-up of the leaves. You can see that it is already pretty variegated. The leaves look nice and healthy. There's no browning. And the root system looks very strong, very healthy. It looks really good. Look at how pretty this plant is. I really just love this, and I'm so excited to own it. So a couple facts to know. The pretty variegation that we all love causes this plant to work a little bit harder to photosynthesize, so it will be a slow grower. So be patient. It is very low light tolerant, just like other monsteras. Don't give it too much sun because it will make those leaves super crispy, and you don't want that. If you want to give it a little extra humidity, that's cool. You know, if you've gone ahead and invested in a humidifier, stick it next to there, but it's not really required. It will tolerate the dry air that you're giving it in your house. Like, it's totally fine. And let it dry out a little bit between waterings. Monsteras are pretty drought tolerant, so you know, if you go on vacation for a week, it'll probably be okay. But it's a beautiful plant, and I'm really excited to watch it grow. Look at it. It's so cute. So I am really happy with this purchase. Like I said, Kaylee Ellen gave a really informative video about the different types of variegated monsteras there are, the Thai Constellation versus the Albo variegata, and why you kind of see what you see for sale. Like, you'll usually see this one being sold as a juvenile plant. So I will also link that video down in the description, although you've probably already seen it. But I thought it was very informative when deciding to buy a plant. She also lists some price ranges, and I think I stayed right within that price range. I don't want to tell you how much I paid for this plant because it was a lot. It was a lot, y'all. But if you are in the market for one, you know that they're expensive right now. They really are. And there are some that have been available from Thailand, and there are people who have successfully purchased from Thailand, but I was a little nervous. It was too much money to gamble. So this is from an American seller, and like I said, I will list the seller down below because they had multiples, and I'm sure that they will have more. But I'm very excited about my Thai Constellation, and I can't wait to watch her grow. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.